Good morning guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm doing a standalone lesson on GCSE Pythagoras, okay, GCSE Algebra for the AQA, IGCSE, EdExcel, OCR, CIE, WJC and AS level maths. Right guys, this video was recorded on 27th of the 2nd, 2021. Right guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at three examples, okay, or two examples here actually for working out Pythagoras. So Pythagoras, guys, is a way of using the lengths to work out. So it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared actually. So it is what we use to find a missing length in our right angle triangle. So the triangle must be right angled actually, otherwise Pythagoras cannot be applied. So I've got the length A here, the length B and the length C. Now C is what I call the hypotenuse. I've got a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That can be rearranged to make a squared equals c squared minus b squared, or b squared equals c squared minus a squared. Now to work out the length, you'd obviously square root your answer here, guys, where necessary. Right, guys, so we've got here actually, so we've got 4 meters by 3 meters, and we're asked to work out x. So we're going to have 4 squared plus 3 squared equals x squared, 9 plus 16 equals x squared equals 25. The opposite of squaring is square root, so x equals the square root of 25, which equals 5. Okay, when we square root, guys, actually, yeah, we will have like a positive and a negative actually as our answer because it is a quadratic. For Pythagoras actually, we are always looking at positive numbers, so the answer will always have to be positive actually for our answer, because length is always positive, guys. Right, last one for today's lesson, guys. Okay, so what have we got here? So we've got three. We've got 3 y and 5. Okay, so I'm gonna do y squared plus y squared plus 3 squared equals 6 squared. Okay, so minus 3 squared on both sides. I get y squared equals 6 squared minus 3 squared. Y squared equals 27, and y equals the square root of 27, guys. Okay, so we are obviously given the long length. We're given this one, we're going to work out this one. So it obviously requires rearranging the equation to work out the unknown. So it's 3 squared plus y squared equals 6 squared. Rearranging that, I get y is equal to plus or minus the square root of 27 actually. So it's the positive root of root 27, guys, which will obviously give you some answer, but root 27, guys, that is my exact answer. So it's root 27 centimeters. Okay, so I hope that made sense, guys. Any questions, any problems, drop it in the comments. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my videos as always, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys, and stay safe. Any questions, then put them in the comment section, guys. So this video was looking at Pythagoras, okay, so working out the lengths of the lines. Okay, so this one was working out hypotenuse, so it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and then obviously it's square root your answer to work out the length. Okay, and then this one obviously, yeah, is working backwards. Okay, so yeah, I hope you find it useful, guys. Cheers and take care. Bye now.